with still not feeling 100%, I decided to try to do something a little easy this weekend, and I tried to wire up some lights for the back porch. When you're outside with wiring, I think it's got to be GCFI protected. I don't really know what, ground fault interceptor something. When you're working with this wire, this BX cable or whatever they call it, there's a lot of added steps that you gotta do. They make these special little red plastic things. And so all you do with that is you put it around this wire. It just keeps the wire from hitting where you cut your metal. Makes sense. Probably some people will be wondering, I'm just running 14 gauge wire because I had this BX wire from a long time ago. This much BX 14 gauge wire would have cost something crazy like $150. So here's my exterior box. It's metal. And I'm gonna make that stick through just a little bit. And you can put that in there, like that. There. I guess you just put it there, like that. Oh, you know what? There's probably a 2x6 or something right in my way, a 2x8 or 2x10 right there.
Could be.
Cool. I think that's gonna be okay. It's really graceful. And I lost my screwdriver again. There it is.
Hello.
Hello.
That looks good. Lucky I've got all this wire. Wire is so expensive right now, and I just have all this left over. Really adds up. Finally got through that. Stuff's thick.
How excited are you about having blown insulation to deal with?
Oh, I can't wait. It was so much fun to bag the 150 bags. I hope there's more here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got it through. Wow, that was harder than the other one, I think.
Nah.
See if this works. I'm gonna try to pull 2 wires through. One will go to the switch, and one will come off of the switch and go to the first light. There's other ways you could wire this, but I'm not an electrician, so I like to do it the easy way. I just like to wire things to where I know they're gonna work, and I don't have to worry about nothing. And ultimately that wasn't very difficult, was it? I have extra wire here for the main power. I didn't want to cut it too close. I'll just put it up there and tack it. It's fine. If I ever need to move this switch like 2 feet, 3 feet, I can now. I guess that's a good thing. We are kind of guessing where this light switch is going to go to what will be the door to the porch will be here. We're going to move it. And that's why we're putting the light switch here. Some real forward thinking. I hope I don't regret that one. Get my first light hooked up right over here. I'm going to run it centered to this little building. For the recessed lights, I went with what I know. I put these all through the house. I like them. just an adjustable box, and I like that it's airtight. And I like that there's a built-in junction box for wiring. That makes it really nice. If I've done my calculations correctly, I now have 15 beautiful amps going to this GCFI plug, which is all in conduit. And the power goes over to this switch, which should turn on the first of 6 lights.
That's a good job. Yay!
Woo! That looks so good.
Nice. Really nice for the darkness.
Now I can just run off of that light to go to the next one, next one, next one, next one. Got the hardest one done, the one over the stairs. I'm happy about that. But I am running out of gas. I'm gonna quit for the night. It's probably 9:30. Tomorrow, all I gotta do is run I got 4 more lights to put up, so evenly spaced, probably 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to overthink it too much. They're going to be in line with each other. Two lights really light it up, doesn't it? I think that looks pretty awesome. Waiting a long time to see those lights on a bigger porch. Alright, well, I'll finish it out tomorrow. They should work. Yay! Oh, one's a different color. That's weird. That one's white. I think these bulbs are adjustable. Yeah, they're adjustable. Interesting. Let me show you this. You can probably see the little switch right here. And then it has some words that you probably can't see. The words say soft white 2700K, warm white 3000K, cool white, so on and so forth. Daylight, ooh. And then cool daylight. I know that the other ones are on soft white, so I'm just gonna keep them all the same. And maybe I'll mess with these in the future. Daylight probably would be the best. We are putting a fan out here. Enough people told us that we should, and I believe them. It's hot. I mean, we're always in the shade here, which is like the point. But today it's hot. You know, it's 85 degrees. It's like 9:30 in the morning. So if you were out here and you had a fan going, that's probably very nice. Somebody mentioned the other day that these 2x4s, at whatever they are, you know, 16 feet span, that it's too far of a span for a 2x4, and I was kind of thinking that too. If I put a really heavy ceiling on these 2x4s, they could sag. It's called deflection. And if they sagged an inch, well, that probably wouldn't look very good. So the fix to that, and it's something that I planned on doing, is I'm going to take some 2x material here. I'm going to go up just a couple feet away from this wall and just put some braces. 2x4 going up, and I'm going to nail it to the 2x6 that's up there, down to the 2x4. And that should certainly help with the support. And if I have enough 2x material, which I think I do, I'm going to put one here, and then I'm going to go about 4 feet out and put another one. Just a little 18-inch piece. Then I know I've done the best that I can do as far as keeping the ceiling from sagging. Yeah, I mentioned it in the very beginning of the video. When this video was shot a while back now, this is a while ago, I just got back from a trip from Atlanta. When I got back home, I was sick. I had what you can assume I had, and that just turned into a whirlwind of trouble for me. I just found out that I have Bell's palsy, and I'm taking some medication for that. And then at the same time, I just found out that I have Lyme disease. There's a lot to it. A lot of people have shared their stories with me. I think being sick in Atlanta and all that inflammation that I had in my body for 2 weeks possibly made that Lyme disease come out, where it's always been in my body, but kind of hidden, if that makes any sense. Hopefully I'm going to be on the mend soon. It's been a while. It's been over a month of not feeling good. Yeah. So thanks for all the people out there, obviously wishing me well. I appreciate it. All right. That's going to do it for me, I think, today. Unless I get motivated to work more later. It's so stinking hot outside. This is where I wanted to get the ceiling anyways. The lights are up, they're secured, they're working. And then all that bracing's in. All my wires are secured better. I feel really good on where it is right now. Now I can maybe start working on the ceiling. We'll see if I want to do the ceiling or the railing. I don't really know. I think I've said that 10 times. But that's it for me today. I gotta go get some water and sit down.
All right. Today's the day. We are finally going to oil this porch floor. So it's tamarack. So it's very rot resistant to begin with, but we want to seal it. And we decided to use an oil. Surprise! So we'll see how this works. Never used it before. It's got 3 different oils in it, and it's supposed to be only 1 coat, which is awesome. So I'm gonna try to paint this on this morning. It's not supposed to rain and it's not sunny, so that's what we need. Let's see if we can get this done.
There's a pace here that I'm still not quite familiar with. There's a noise coming from the fridge and a mess that isn't mine. There's a broken chair that I've been sitting on lately.
I'm about 1/3 of the way done. It's looking pretty good. I like how it brings out the grain and all the different color variations. It seems to go on really easy. So far, so good.
Sometimes I just feel like up and leaving. Can't wait to get home. Can't wait to get home. There are footsteps that are loud, they step on my sleeping. I feel flooded.
I can see you. Peeking. I'm almost done. I just gotta do the edge.
My mind, like knowing I am getting closer. Can't wait to get home. 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 Take on my grind. I need to be most. I don't moan, but this all just hits me like a rock. Can't wait to get can't wait to get home. Can't wait to get home. Can't wait.
I think this is gonna conclude this video as far as the lights and the decking getting oiled. I did start, and I'll show you the sneak peek, started the framing for the lattice. That will be the next video. So the lattice, I gotta do something with these stairs, a railing,
I didn't see the lattice.
ceiling, and then, you know, something over here. We did order the linseed oil paint, which we'll use for all of this. And I think we're going to be probably painting some of this lattice. I don't really know exactly. The stairs will probably get painted white. So maybe we'll do lattice paint for the next video. I'm really holding off on those railings because I don't really want to do it. Just think it looks so cool without a railing, but you got to be safe. All right, that's it for now. It was fun getting out another video.